Banking is the largest growing segment in the financial services industry today, facing innumerable challenges. The question is, how does a bank multitask? How does it handle assessing of credit risks of its customers? How does it develop products? And how does it keep track of all the information about its depositors and its borrowers? Well, the advance in technology has led to a new way of doing business. Use of integrated solutions has cut down time, making possible to work simultaneously on different issues. Communication technology and information technology are now merged. While committed to innovation, TCS BaNCS is based on an open architecture with multiple layers, allowing the integration of leading technologies as they evolve. The structure of the product is such that it will work on any technology platform.
TCS BaNCS core banking was built with no particular platform in mind. It works equally well on Microsoft Windows. It works equally well on open systems like Unix, all flavors of Unix, and it also works on IBM mainframes.
A very large percentage of the banking channel runs on a Microsoft .NET framework, which can also integrate with other peripheral systems. The product is service-oriented architecture-enabled and leverages the Microsoft BizTalk server.
It has a separate presentation layer, separate business layer, separate database layer. And today there's a buzzword SOA. Without being aware of the buzzword, the product was architected to be SOA ready. This shows how much thought has gone into architecting this product.
TCS BaNCS has been deployed by more than 115 clients in 35 countries, ranging from small credit unions and cooperatives to the world's largest financial institutions of every size, geographical reach, and operational complexity.
We make the best use of the available computing resources, and we can manage with a small server. And if a large system is available and we need more throughput, we get scalability by just increasing the number of assembly lines and managing the number of workers at each step.
State Bank of India is world's largest core banking solution. It runs on TCS BaNCS core banking. In many cases where we moved from handful of million accounts to close to 100 million accounts, we didn't have to make any fundamental design changes. And in any benchmark competition, we are second to none.
The architecture of TCS BaNCS has developed over a decade. Today, the structure of the software is such that technology is as applicable to even the smallest of banks as well as the big boys of banking. The software uses the ASP model, where the banks do not pay for owning the software itself, but rather for using it.
We provide the hardware, we provide the software, we provide the network. All these on the shared basis, all the cooperative banks use the same.
TCS BaNCS covers all mainstream retail and commercial banking functions, CRM, deposits, loans, cards, payments, and even branch accounting. It also covers treasury, trade finance, and even loan origination.
BaNCS is a modular system and it is highly parameterizable. So using the parameters, a customer can meet any types of its product requirements and it can be set up as quickly as say in a couple of days time. And we also offer product cloning functionality whereby products can be cloned and made available say in 5 minutes time as well.
The product, though born in Australia, has a strong global footprint. TCS BaNCS is being adopted by Chinese banks and supporting its vast credit needs. It is also deployed in Korea, Taiwan and Vietnam, South America, Russia, Australia, Africa, and the Middle East. Region-specific changes can be easily accommodated in the system using parameters.
BaNCS is a highly parameterized system. Various products and functionalities can be processed using the different sets of parameters or parameter values. Now, for example, the Islamic banking products, we just have to say that the bank is processing Islamic products and it will start using the profit sharing instead of processing the interest.
International banking experience and watchful eyes of dedicated professional brings in rewards as well.
The Technology and Innovation Labs of TCS BaNCS product works in close association with Microsoft, IBM, and Oracle. We also have many dedicated business analysts having diverse experience across international banking environments, which explains why our product was chosen as the best core banking product.
Every bank wants to be an end-to-end solution provider or a universal bank. Having worked closely with banks big and small across the world, TCS BaNCS has a deep understanding of the needs of its customers. The n number of combinations in its functionality with future readiness in its architecture, TCS BaNCS is poised to be and remain the forerunner amongst its competitors. It is the premium product to opt for or upgrade to for any bank belonging to any culture.